Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Kotak. Use net banking or the Kotak mobile banking app. Enter your user ID or registered mobile number, then submit the password. Once done, wait for the OTP prompt and complete two-step authentication. This secures access to history. If you prefer, use net banking for more detailed filters. The app is faster for recent items. Make sure to choose the correct account if you hold multiple accounts, because the next steps depend on that selection. Once inside your account, tap Accounts, then Transaction History or Statements. You will see default recent entries. Change the date range to 1 month, 3 months, or custom dates to isolate the window you need. Next, use filters, debit versus credit, UPI, NEFT, IMPS, or card, to narrow results. Choose Sort Order by Date or Amount and preview results on screen. If you need records offline, select Download and pick PDF or CSV. CSV for spreadsheets, PDF for official sharing. You finish by downloading and saving the statement securely. Name the file with account and date for easy retrieval. Open the CSV to verify headers and that the date format matches your reconciliation needs, or open the PDF to confirm printed totals. Once done, cross-check totals against your balance and flag transactions. If entries are missing, clear app cache, retry login, or log in via net banking. If problems persist, contact Kotak customer support with transaction ID for resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.